Hi guys, hope you're all okay. I look an absolute mess. It's Sunday. I've had a nap, the joy of pregnancy, and I wouldn't normally come on camera like this unless it was a vlog, but I thought, stuff it. I might filter this to black and white though for my own vanity. I am gonna have an attempt at making a Jack Monroe recipe, which I think she calls cauliflower mac and cheese. However, I'm doing it with broccoli. So yeah, that's what we're doing. So I think this is all my recipes. Oh no, recipes, ingredients. I also need milk. But yeah, so I will have milk, eggies, pasta, half a red onion, a little pot of pancetta, but you could just use bacon, grated cheese, pepper, frozen broccoli, some olive oil, spray. Ingredients, equipment, frying pan, saucepan, bowl, oven-proof dish will also be required. Okay, so my pasta's cooking. I've used 160 grams for 2 of us. The broccoli went in first for a bit because it was frozen, red onion, the lardons, and I also added 2 cloves of garlic for a bit of extra. I've decided to use my jug instead of the big bowl. So I've got 200 ml of milk, and I'm going to chuck 2 eggs in there, black pepper and whisk. So this is the scary bit. I'm going to take a ladle of the water that the pasta was cooked in and introduce it to this and give it a whisk, and hopefully it won't make scrambled eggs. The plan is that this will raise the water of this liquid, or that will raise the temperature of this, so when it is added to this pan, which has now been turned off, it won't turn into scrambled egg. That is the plan. I've never made this before, so wish me luck. So I took it off the heat to add my milk, egg and pasta water mixture, and we don't have eggs, so scrambled eggs, so I'm going to take that as a win. So I've put about half my mixture in my oven-proof dish. I've got 120 grams of grated cheese. I'm going to put half of this in now, put the rest on, and then the cheese on the top. It doesn't look like much right now, but we're going to chuck it in the oven for 15 minutes and see what we get. 15 minutes in the oven. Cheesy pasta goodness. Gonna dish it up. And there we go. Cheesy, bacony, broccoli, garlic goodness. Let's give it a go.